figured I would just do some makeup to go with my new hair. And yep, I already have my brows done, and let's get started. I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and start blending this out. And then mix it with extraction grease. So I'm gonna be mixing James Charles palette. And I'm just gonna be using the black. Both of those blended on now. Now we are going to cut the crease. And for that, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. Use the shade Cat. I don't like this at all. Like, I expected like the pinks to be like way different from the pink that I put on, but like they're like the same exact color. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like a line of glitter with my Kylie eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna do that all here. Okay, I'm back, and I just, let me zoom you in because yeah, I did the Kylie eyeshadow, liquid eyeliner. I used the Kylie liquid eyeshadow with a tiny brush, and I just did an outline of the cut crease. This one is horrible, so whatever. And then I did a wing liner, my e.l.f. eyeliner, and then I put my Lily lashes in the style Miami on. Yeah. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 and my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Now I'm just going to put it all over my face. Take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Okay. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline New York concealer in the shade Cafe to contour my face. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Born palette. Set my whole face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Shade Pink Power. I think I've been saying it wrong this whole time on the channel. Shade Coma, and put that under my eyelid, my lash line. Cullinan, whatever the fuck. Oops. use Butterscotch. Matte Liquid Lipstick by Kylie Jenner in the shade Posy K. I think this will go good. It's fine. So this is my finished look. To match my new hair, oh my god, I look so pale. That's why I don't like wearing like darker lipstick, because it makes me look so weird. This is my one setting. You can also have it like this. Or I mean, if you want just the colorful ones on too, but yep. So yep, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it's kind of all over the place. But yep, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.